Welcome back to Brain Geeks. Today we're launching into a rapid solar system challenge. 50 space facts, fast answers, no slowing down. Stay focused, stay curious. Ready? Let's go. Before we start, subscribe Brain Geeks for more videos. Do you know which planet could theoretically float in water? Believe it or not, it's Saturn, thanks to its incredibly low density. Tell me, Smarty, which is the largest planet in our solar system? Yes, Brainy, Jupiter dominates the planetary lineup. Ready for an easy one? Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Spot on. That rusty world is Mars. Let us test your speed. Which planet sits closest to the Sun? Correct again. The speedy little traveler is Mercury. Think carefully now. Which planet displays the most spectacular rings? Right on target. Saturn wears the brightest crown in space. Here comes a tricky one. Which planet is often called Earth's twin? Yes, that scorching neighbor is Venus. Science lovers, do you know what the sun is mostly made of? Absolutely brilliant. Hydrogen powers our star. Take a quick guess. Which planet has the longest day? Perfect answer. Venus spins incredibly slowly. Let us cool things down. Which planet holds the record as the coldest world? That icy giant is Uranus. Here's a famous one. Which planet contains the legendary Great Red Spot Storm? You nailed it. That endless hurricane belongs to Jupiter. Which planet has clouds of sulfuric acid? Think like a space scientist and tell me. Exactly right. Venus hides beneath toxic skies. Let's flip things sideways. Which planet rotates while lying on its side? Excellent call. Uranus spins in a very unusual way. Moon watchers, listen closely. Which planet currently holds the record for most moons? Yes, Saturn leads the cosmic moon count. Do you know? How do astronomers classify our sun? Brilliant. It's known as a yellow dwarf star. Storm hunters. Which planet experiences the fastest winds ever recorded? Correct. Neptune hosts unbelievably violent storms. Quick orbit challenge. Which planet has the shortest year? Sharp answer. Mercury circles the sun in record time. Tell me, Smarty, which planet is home to a giant moon called Titan? Right again. Titan orbits Saturn. Let us shrink the scale. How is Pluto officially classified today? Spot on. It's a dwarf planet. Here's the pressure test. Which planet is known for extreme pressure? Yes, Venus holds that extreme environment. Which planet has almost no atmosphere at all? Perfect. Mercury stands exposed to space. Gravity puzzle time. Which planet has the weakest surface gravity? Exactly. Mercury takes that title as well. Ready for a moon surprise? Which moon is actually larger than Mercury? Outstanding. Ganymede is the giant champion. What gives Saturn its low density? Correct again. Its gas composition keeps its density low. Classification challenge. What type of planet is Jupiter? Bingo, it's a massive gas giant. Season lovers. Which planet has seasons somewhat similar to Earth? Smart thinking. Mars shows familiar seasonal patterns. Solar science moment. Do you know what solar wind actually is? Yes, Brainy. It is a stream of charged particles flowing from the sun. Which planet spins the fastest? You got it. That rapid rotator is Jupiter. Which moon has subsurface oceans? Brilliant. Europa contains hidden water oceans. Which planet has the most elliptical orbit? Correct answer. Mercury travels in the most elliptical path. Here is a strange timing fact. Which planet has a day longer than its year? Exactly right. That slow spinner is Venus. Ready for something sparkling? Which planet rains diamonds? Fantastic answer. That sparkling storm world is Neptune. Moon size showdown. Which moon is the largest in the entire solar system? Yes, Ganymede dominates all natural satellites. Volcano alert. Which planet hosts the tallest volcano ever discovered? Spot on. Mars is home to Olympus Mons. Which moon is packed with active volcanoes? Correct. Io erupts constantly with molten activity. Which planet traps the most greenhouse gases? Exactly right. That heat trap is Venus. Which planet can stay dark for 42 years? Great job! Uranus experiences that extended darkness. Which planet has a hexagon-shaped storm at its pole? Yes, Brainy. Saturn hosts that incredible polar storm. Which moon has lakes of liquid methane? Outstanding. Titan has those strange liquid seas. Do you know which moon sprays water into space through icy jets? Correct again. Enceladus shoots plumes into orbit. Magnetic powerhouse question. Which planet has the strongest magnetic field? Yes, Smarty. Jupiter dominates magnetic strength. Which planet has seasons that last around 20 years? Sharp thinking. Uranus moves through extremely long seasons. Pop culture lovers, tell me, which moon looks like the famous Death Star? Exactly. Mimas resembles that iconic shape. Which moon has the tallest cliff ever discovered? Yes, Brainy. Miranda holds that record. Which planet is hot enough to melt lead on its surface? Spot on. Venus reaches unbelievable temperatures. Tell me, buddies, which moon has ice volcanoes instead of lava? That frozen eruption world is Enceladus. Atmosphere check. Which moon has almost no atmosphere at all? Right answer. Phobos is nearly airless. Which planet takes about 165 Earth years to orbit the Sun? Brilliant. Neptune travels that long cosmic journey. Here's a stormy one. Which planet produces lightning storms stronger than Earth's? Perfect answer. That thunder giant is Jupiter. Which planet has almost no tilt, causing weak seasons? That steady spinner is Mercury. Final brain blast. Which planet gets multiple giant storms at once? Yes, Brainy, Jupiter ends our challenge as the Storm King. And that concludes your Solar System Challenge. How many did you answer correctly? Post your score in the comments and challenge another geek to beat it. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, subscribe and stay tuned for more brain power challenges. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and stay brilliantly curious.